Kendal. It's Wyatt McMartin again, your PM here from Benchmark. This right here is Tyler Glessner. He's our project manager intern for the summer, so you might see him around the project site. Here for another update. We're standing right now in the pre-function space. Behind me, you'll see we have some nice tambour paneling going on the columns. Nice wood base. Carpet is going in. We got lights on in the entire building right now. We're working on getting your countertops set in here. Where I'm standing right now is technically the pre-function space, and behind those countertops right there is a private dining area. Then behind the camera is our gathering space, which walks out to the nice patio that I know you've seen before. In the gathering space, you'll see some beautiful wood panel ceilings up to about a 25-foot peak at the cathedral ceiling.
So right here, something we've been excited for, waiting for, it's the monofold door. It's a glass door, motorized. We're able to close it through here. It's gonna give the space a lot of natural light, be able to close it for our public spaces, for any functions that they have inside this room. It's something that we're really excited about, and we're so happy to just have it installed.
Here we are standing in the male alcove in the upstairs, one of the upstairs corridors. This is the infamous D167 mailroom as it appears on the drawings. But you can see we've got resident mail slots here. We've got mailboxes for all of the upstairs units, and then a stone ledge. This is a quartz stone ledge, little sill, and some wood detailing underneath, just to give a nice accents throughout the building. Here we are downstairs in one of the IL units. I'm not sure if we've been in this unit before, but this is pretty indicative of what you can see throughout the building. We have our vanity and island lighting installed. Over the counters, we've got all of the counters in. Appliances are coming next week, so we'll see those in the next update. We also have all the window casing accents, and we also have all of the flooring in. Another thing we're excited about is getting permanent conditions turned on in the building. That's something we've been working hard on. We got the cooling tower turned on top of the roof this week, and that's turned on, and we're working our way through the building, turning on our heat pumps. All right, so major outdoor updates since the last time we met. We've finished up all the concrete sidewalks out here. You can see some of the bollard lights going in on the far side of the courtyard here. We've got some siding going on to the fascia, or some fascia board hardy siding to match the building. The lighter color siding going on to the covered walkways connecting to the carports here. We also have all of our storefronts finished up. The vertical V-groove siding we talked about last time is completely finished up, and things are really coming along. We also have final grading done basically all the way, almost all the way around the building. We've got grass growing around the perimeter, and as you can see, the entire area is all hayed in. This would be a dream pasture for a horse right now, but it's gonna help the grass grow, so that by the time you move in, it's nice and green in here.